Hello everyone, it's Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com again. And I know yesterday I taught you how to do the long tail cast on. And really you only need one cast on for most projects to be able to knit with. And the long tail cast on is by far the most popular cast on. However, I have run across quite a few beginning knitters who have a hard time with the long tail cast on. It's pretty fiddly and all the things that you need to do with your hands and everything. So I'm going to teach you one more cast on. This is called the backward loop cast on and was actually the first cast on that I learned how to do. And then somebody told me that, oh, well, that's not a good beginner cast on because, the loops are kind of slippery and it's not as stable, etc. But it is easier to do. So if you had problems with the long tail cast on yesterday, then try this cast on and I bet you'll have an easier time.
We're going to begin with a slip knot. So holding onto the tail with your right hand, rotate the yarn around so that it creates a number 4. Using your thumb and forefinger, reach over the top and grab your working yarn and pull it through. Place that on your right hand needle and we're simply going to loop the yarn over. So I like to hold onto the yarn with these fingers in my left hand and place my thumb to tension it. Then I'm going to place my right needle over the top of the yarn and rotate it under next to my thumb so that it loops over the top of the needle. Then I'll release my thumb and pull the stitch down. Repeat as many times as you want. So over the top, rotate it next to the thumb, release your thumb, and pull the stitch. Over the top, rotate next to the thumb so it forms a loop, release the thumb, and pull it snug.